Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a while. You all know this period is a period of sewing, so many activities going on for so many persons. So I just want to make a quick tutorial on how to get a small cup size from your big cup size. Okay, so I'm working for a client whose bust is bust 34, and I don't have a cup of bust 34, and I don't even have the time to go to the market. So I decided to make this out of bust 40. Like, this is bust 40. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's written here bust 40. Okay, and I was able to get bust 34 from bust 40. Just let's see how I did that. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to mark the midpoint of your bust cup. Okay, so this is the midpoint of my bust cup. Then you are going to be using the under bust measurement of your client and the bust point measurement. So the under bust measurement of my clients is 13.5 and the shoulder to bust is 10. So the difference is 3.5. I'm going to be measuring 3.5 all around on this cup. Okay, so this is actually one way to determine your cup size in the market. It doesn't really matter if it is 40, if it is not 40. Like you can see, the bust point of this cup to the under bust is actually 4.25. okay, so this should go for a client whose bust point and under bust point distance is 4.25. so but what I need now is 3.5. so just go ahead and mark the 3.5 all around. This method has worked for me a lot, so I just decided to share. Now you are going to connect the dots. Okay, so after connecting the dots, I'll go ahead now and cut it out. Go ahead and cut. And kindly note that this is a regular bust cup, not the push-up kind of bust cup. So this is what I have as my 34 cup, but it's looking a bit flat. Just to give it some kind of height, I'm going to fold this into two, like so. Then mark ½ inch and shape it into the cup like this. Just add a dart. Let's stitch. So after stitching, you can go ahead and cut out the excess, and this is our bust 34 cup. We got this out from bust 40 cup. Okay, all right friends, thank you for stopping by. If you find this insightful, please leave a comment. You can give us a thumbs up, share, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye. So this is the result before you go. You can see how pointed it is. Like, this is just a lifesaver for me. There are times I don't have time to make it to the market. I just do this. So enjoy. Bye.